Hi everyone, Namaste. Welcome to Sai Niketan NEET Biology session. My dear students, we are discussing about MCQs from immunity, vaccination, immunization and allergy. Okay. We have already discussed about 5 multiple choice questions. Now, let us discuss the next one. Okay. Question number 6. Question number 6 is cell-mediated immunity is mainly a function of. See the question carefully. ಸೆಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಇಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಇಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ? ರೈಟ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ RBC, lymphocytes, macrophages, interferons. Now, can you select the right answer? Yes, see here. As I told you many times, this slide is very important for NEET. These 3 points are very important. Many questions have asked from this 3 points. Okay, see question number 6 is from types of acquired immune response. In that second one is the CMI. If you see here first point, it is mediated by T lymphocytes. Yes, very important, don't forget. The cells involved in CMI are T lymphocytes. Okay, so with this you can select the right answer now. See here. Okay, options nodrally. As I told you T lymphocytes, right? T lymphocytes ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು, ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದರೆ T lymphocytes ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. But if you see the option 2, lymphocytes are there. Therefore, the right answer for this question is option 2, lymphocytes. Okay, so lymphocytes. Actually, mine cells are involved T lymphocytes. T lymphocytes ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ T lymphocytes ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ T lymphocytes ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬದಲಾಗಿ lymphocytes ಇರೋದರಿಂದ this would be the right answer for this question. Okay. Next questions. Right? Next question is question number 7. Match the following. Right? Again, very simple question. See here. Column 1 nalli natural active, artificial passive, artificial active, natural passive. Column 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ examples ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Now you have to match this with those examples. Again, it is very simple. I have given a list to you to select the right answer for this. Yes, let us see once again that list. Just remember this list, you can select the right answer. Yes, natural active immunity, example is infection. Vaccination is an example for artificial active immunity. Then mother fetus, mother infant, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬಂದರೆ that is an example for natural passive immunity. ATS and ABS, right? Anti-serum, anti-tetanus serum, anti-venom serum. So these are example for ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸಿವ್ ಇಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ. ಈ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. With this, you can select the right answer here. You see, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್. ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್. ನೀವು ಕಾಲಮ್ 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ವರ್ಡ್. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನಿಗೆ ಸೂಟ್ ಆಗುವಂತಹ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೀಗೆ ಓದ್ತಾ ಬಂದರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ ದ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್, ಫೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲಿ, ರೈಟ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಫೈಟಿಂಗ್ infections naturally, so that is infection. Therefore A matches with the 4, correct. Now you see the option A1 is there in the option 1, so this is ruled out. Option 2 A4, okay. Option 3 A4, option 4 A5 is there. Therefore option 1 and option 4 are ruled out. Now go for second one, ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸಿವ್. ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸಿವ್ ಅಂದರೆ ATS ABS. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಹೋದರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3, ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆ್ಯಂಟಿ ಸೀರಮ್ ಟು ದ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲರ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಟಿ ಸೀರಮ್ ಅಂತ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಟಿ ಟೆಟಾನಸ್ ಸೀರಮ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಆ್ಯಂಟಿ ವೀನೋಮ್ ಸೀರಮ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಂಟಿ ಸೀರಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಸಿವ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್. ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ರೈಟ್. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಬಿ ಮ್ಯಾಚಸ್ ವಿತ್ 3. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಮ್ಯಾಚಸ್ ವಿತ್ 3. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ B5 is there. So option 3 here is ruled out. Therefore with these 2 matching only, right answer is option 2. This is the way of selecting the answer quickly. Now go for C, artificial active. Very direct is there. Fifth one you see, induced by vaccination. Artificial active example is vaccination. So fifth one it is. D you see, natural passive. Wherever you get the word natural passive, mother and fetus. See here option, second one you see, from mother to fetus through placenta. Mother fetus, mother infant bandre, that is natural passive. Therefore the right answer for question number 7 is option 2. Okay, next question is, question number 8. Again very simple question. See here, the substances produced by a cell in viral infection that can protect other cells from further infection is. This is from NCERT exemplars. Yes, ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವೈರಲ್ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆದಾಗ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುವಂತಹ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಸೆರೋಟೋನಿನ್, ಕೊಲೆಸ್ಟ್ರಮ್, ಇಂಟರ್ಫೆರಾನ್, ಹಿಸ್ಟಮೈನ್. ಎಸ್, ವೆರಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, this question is from cytokine barrier. Example for cytokine barrier is interferon. What is interferon? It is a protein secreted by virus infected cells that protects non-infected cells from further viral infection. ನಾನು ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಫೆರಾನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಕಂಡು ಬಂದರೆ that indicates the viral infection. ವೈರಲ್ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುವಂತಹ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಫೆರಾನ್. ರೈಟ್, ನಾವು ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, Now if you see the options, first one is serotonin, second one is colostrum, no. If you see the option 3, that is interferon, yes. Question number 8, the right answer is option 3, interferon. Very simple question. Now let us move to the next question. Question number 9. See, already we have discussed this question. Once again you see, antibodies present in colostrum which protect the newborn from certain diseases is of. This is also from NCERT exemplar, right? Already we have discussed this type of the question. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೊಲೆಸ್ಟ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಆಂಟಿಬಾಡಿ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. See this list. Again, this list is very important for NEET. In that, if you see second one, antibodies present in tears, saliva, mucus, colostrum or mother's milk. Yaudu IgA. Therefore, the right answer, if you see here, option 1 is IgG, no. Option 2 you see IgA type, therefore right answer is option 2 IgA, right? IgA. So ಒಂದು ಇದು ಕೊಲೆಸ್ಟ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಆಂಟಿಬಾಡಿ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು CMI ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಂದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. Question number 10. It is very direct question. Vaccination against smallpox was developed by. Tell me very quickly. Vaccination against smallpox is developed by Edward Jenner. Option 2, Edward Jenner. He is a father of immunology. So right answer here is Edward Jenner, right? ಇದು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 11. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 11. An allergic response appears at the causes sneezing, watery eyes, running nose, pain and heat due to certain chemicals. They are. Yes, this question is related to allergy. ಅಲರ್ಜಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲರ್ಜಿ ಆಗುವಾಗ ಯಾವ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಡ್. ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೆಲ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. During allergy, which chemicals are released? Yes. Allergy, this slide is most important. So, during allergy, which are the antibody produced? IgE. Which are the cells involved? Then mast cells. Now, which are the chemical released? That is histamine and serotonin. Don't forget, allergy aguvaga release aguvanta chemicals, they are histamine and serotonin. Therefore, here the right answer is, if you see option 1 only, histamine and serotonin is there. Therefore, the right answer is option 1. Remaining option you can find histamine, cerumen is there, cerumen and serotonin is there, mucus and cerumen is there. Actually cerumen is nothing but it is the technical word used for ear wax, right? Ear wax. But here the right answer is histamine and serotonin. Don't forget. Okay, now next question you see. Question number 12. This question is asked in NEET 2017. NEET 2017 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Transplantation of the tissue or organs fails often due to non-acceptance by the. Think, this question is related to organ transplantation. I told you, whenever organ transplantation bandre, that is related to CMI. CMI. So if you see here option 1, cell mediated immune response, yes, that is related to CMI. So cell mediated immune response, right answer is option 1. So organ transplantation alli rejection agudakke main reason is CMI. This concept should be clear to you. Okay, next question nodri. Question number 13. This question is asked in NEET 2019. 2019 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. once again question, repeated question. You see, colostrum, the yellowish fluid secreted by the mother during initial days of lactation, is very essential to impart immunity to the newborn infants because it contains, again the same question, 2019 NEET ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು, ಕೊಲೆಸ್ಟ್ರಾಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಆಂಟಿಬಾಡೀಸ್ ಯಾವುದು? Right, very directly you can answer here. It is natural killer cells, monocytes, macrophages. See here, little bit differently they have given immunoglobulin A, they have given instead of IgA. Right, once again you see this slide. This slide is most important. This slide is most important. So antibody present in the colostrum, that is IgA. Therefore the right answer is option 4, immunoglobulin A. Right, Ig means immunoglobulin. Okay, now next question we'll see. Question number 14 you see. This question is also asked in NEET 2019. Yes, see here, which of the following immune response is responsible for rejection of kidney graft? Kidney graft 2017 ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 2019 ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಗೇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು CMI. Kidney graft means it is organ transplantation. So it is related to organ transplantation. Therefore, whenever you hear the word organ transplantation, the right answer you have to search here. Option 1 is there autoimmune response? No. Option 2 humoral immune response? No. Option 3 inflammatory immune response? No. If you go for option 4, cell mediated immune response, option 4 is the right answer. Option 4 is the right answer. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಟೈಪಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆರ್ಗನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಾಂಟೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು CMI ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 14. Yes, now next question. Question number 15 you see. Question number 15 is asked in NEET 2020. Yes, 2020 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು. See how much simple question they have asked. Identify the wrong statement with the reference to immunity. You have to select the wrong statement. Yes, wrong statement. Can you try it? See here. Option 1, when ready-made antibodies are directly given, it is called passive immunity. Yes, this is the right statement. Option 2, you see, active immunity is quick and gives full response. See, ನಾನು ಕಲರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು quick is their word. So actually active immunity is the slow process, right? No, so here the word is there quick. Because of this word quick, this is the wrong statement. Actually active immunity is the slow process. Okay, so now if you see option 3, fetus receives some antibodies from mother, it is an example for passive immunity. Of course, right one. Option 4, you see, when exposed to antigen, it may be living or dead, antibodies are produced in the host's body, it is called active immunity, right? So that is if it is exposed to living antigen, then it is called infection. If it is exposed to dead antigen, that is what is called vaccination. So vaccination and infection are the example for active immunity. So this also the correct statement. The wrong statement is the second one. Active immunity is a quick and gives full response. Therefore the right answer for this question is option 2. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಒನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರಾಂಗ್. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೀಡ್ ದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. ಎಸ್, ಈಗ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ we have discussed this active immunity. So active immunity is a slow process. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, active immunity is the slow process, passive immunity is the quick process. I repeat, active immunity is the slow process, passive immunity is the quick process. ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ರೈಟ್? This is about today's discussion. Thank you so much. See you again.